guys, nangu Silomake kaNcube implicated in some fraud of some sort, and it's not the first time. Bakwabala naye indaba enze lotho zemali entshontshwayo no Atamofokati. Allegedly. I'm just like, when I saw this on TV, I was like, lo baba guys, njalo inhlezi inenkinga nje zokuthi untshontshe imali somewhere. You remember kudala kwakhona oMorulasan, Carousel, all those. Most of them, they were actually closed down because there was no business anymore because they were running as like casinos, you know. And then Morulasan was relocated to Menlyn, some of it. So basically that was a casino that was relocated there. Because they started that it was underutilized in Pretoria basically. So after the move, Morulasan promised that it will not be a gaming place anymore, and that most of the employees that used to work there before it moved to Menlyn will maybe like bring their children to do hospitality there. You know, there'll be classes, like a lot of things, guys, maybe sewing, you know, something that's going to help the community, because Morulasan was there helping the community before, you know. So basically they will create something that's still going to help the community thrive. So basically there's this guy who took Silomake and the other accomplice to Hawks ukuthi listen, naba abantu badlalile ngathi badle imali. This other person who's also accused, umntwana kaSemmutsonyana. Guys, abanye abantu ngenzeni bazo Semmutsonyana abanye businessmen bakudalo. Ukubona ngeke nize nibazi nini because we are still young. And then most of you anyways. And then Ulibone is son of Semmutsonyana, is one of the accomplices. So Morulasan does this so that the people can benefit. I know they were having talks with them, you know, all of that. And then these two go behind the backs of the community. Usilomake nomnganakhe lo, with fraudulent papers to Sun International. They were just like, we're here for the money, it's in a labo. Apparently, they stole papers that is community who were trying to make this business with Sun International. Who Sun International had actually promised them, Lalela, we will do this thing for the community, because most of the people actually worked for Sun International when it was Morulasan, before it moved to Menlyn. So basically, the spokesperson for this whole thing for the community there around Mabopane is like, in Pretoria, I think Mabopane does actually fall under Pretoria. I think back in the days, it used to fall under Bophuthatswana. You know how it was with the homelands when Morulasan was there. You know, like you'll find in Transkei. It was Transkei, I mean, before it became more Eastern Cape and all of that. And then the next thing, the Hawks were told, which I know, naba bantu bawuthukeke esifuna ukuthi nibe busy nabo nibabo Silomake kasizopela bosha. I'm just like, lo baba lo, why is he doing this? Such lies, guys. Hopefully, guys, something's gonna change, and then we're gonna be like, no, you didn't do it. So Hawks was like, no, we will get to the bottom of this. The perpetrators, which is Silomake, will be arrested. They demand answers from the gambling board as well to explain why, because under their license, everything that they promised the residents around Morulasan was they will have like uplifting projects, like I have said, they will have a place which the children of the people that used to work basically for Morulasan and the community at large, this is what's going on, this is how we're going to help you. The community worked at Morulasan were left in the dark since then. And then they hear, no, actually, no. They went to Sun Internationally or Silomake kaNcube. Guys, are they going to be arrested? That's what's going to happen. Because then I'm sure they've charged that money already by now. You've seen how he lives, that guy, he lives large. And he's one of those people who are always getting married like Ulebo M. So as us guys, story, if it does actually come out again, so, you know, he's an actor, this guy. He doesn't even act these days because of his name. Guys, thank you so much. It's over.